Hi friends, I am Barun Giri. You are most welcome to our channel Technical Concept. So our today's topic is regarding bolt and spanner. So in today's video, I will explain you how to open bolt or tight bolt. Means how to loose bolt and tight bolts. Means by rotating in which direction our spanner, our bolt will get tight, and in which direction rotating by rotation in which direction our bolt will get loose. Okay, so this is topic we are going to cover in this video. So I will tell you one thumb rule. By using this thumb rule, everyone can easily understand by rotating in which direction we can loose the bolt, or by rotating in which direction we can tighten the bolt. Okay, so let's start our topic without wasting the time. Most of people don't know. Mostly fitters who are working on daily job, they know that in which direction, by rotation in which direction our bolt will get tight, and by rotation in which direction our bolt will get loose. But those who are not working on daily basis on by using spanner, then that persons don't know by rotating in which direction our bolt will get loose and tight. Okay, so for those persons I am making this video. These persons also can easily know by which direction we can easily loose or tight the bolts. Okay, so let's start our topic. So this is the thumb rule. I, I have given the name this thumb rule as a right hand thumb rule. Okay, so if you have to make our thumb like this. Okay, so this thumb denotes the direction of movement of bolt or not, and this finger denotes the direction of rotation of spanner. If we rotate the direct spanner in this four finger direction, then our bolt will move in this direction. Suppose this is a bolt. Okay, if we rotate this spanner like this, okay, if you rotate this spinner like this, okay, then our bolt will go like this. That means it will open. Okay, it will get loose. Okay, similarly if we rotate this spinner like this in clockwise direction, then it will go like this. Okay, same way this rule applies for nut also. Okay, you can see here, this is our thumb rule. If you rotate our spanner like this in finger direction, then our bolt or nut will move like this in thumb direction. So this is the right hand thumb rule. Okay, this is your right hand. Okay, so if you use this thumb rule, you can easily understand in by rotation of by rotating in which direction our bolt will getting loose or tight. Okay, so this is all about the today's video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please press like button, subscribe the channel, and if you have any query, then please comment in the comment box. And if you want any video on any topic, then please comment that topic on in the comment box. I will try to make video on that topic also. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.